Uganda is receiving new arrivals of refugees from South Sudan daily, and refugee settlements in northern Uganda are at full capacity. This means a considerable strain on resources like land and water for the refugees and local communities alike, which is a source of tension according to humanitarian organizations. Delegates gathered here in Kampala say there is need to find answers on how best to share resources.
There is a very beautiful policy framework. How do we practically translate this into building a relationship, a good relationship with the host communities and the refugees, so that it is a win-win situation, not blame.
Uganda's open-door policy on refugees has been internationally praised. Refugees are allowed to get an education, find work, or even seek medical attention. Aid agencies are investing in community projects like water and health centers to benefit both the refugees and host communities. But the amount of aid available to support the growing number of refugees is increasingly falling short. The country needs over $600 million this year to meet the needs of refugees. And with only 30% of the funding requirement met, the disaster ministry is urging coexistence with the refugees in order to live in harmony.
There have been overreactions in some places, whereby some of these districts, by history, they've gone through the difficult times and so on. They may not have some capacities in some areas. And we've talked to them to advise them that, look here, some of these jobs and so on are competitive and required to get the right human resource in place. But why bring, for example, a security guard from Kampala to Bidi?
Discussants here say the skills capacity of refugees need to be met so that they can be able to sustain themselves. Delegates here hope that after 2 days of discussions, there will be answers to address the straining relationship between refugees and host communities for a better working relations. Isabel Nakirya, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.